Hello, and welcome to Module 6 of the News Release Traffic Formula course. In this lesson, you will learn how to keep your listings ranking faster, higher, and longer in the search engines. So, let's talk about using news releases to get better results. Let's start with how to get faster rankings in Google search engine result pages. As we've already seen, Google can pick up and index press releases in 24 hours or less. I've also seen Google pick up and index news releases in less than 2 hours. And I've also seen news releases showing up in Google's search results in less than 30 minutes. In fact, I've even seen Google pick up news releases less than 5 minutes after being sent out. In terms of getting ranked faster then, it's hard to beat press releases, because as we talked about earlier, Google favors content from trusted authority sites. If your website is new, it's going to take time to build authority and trust with Google, even if you're publishing a lot of great content on a regular basis. There seems to be a hump that new sites have to get over before Google says, "Okay, I trust you and I'll start to pick up your content faster now." In the next lesson, I'll show you how to speed up this process, but the fact is, trying to get content on your site ranked faster takes longer than ranking content on sites that Google already trusts. This is why news releases are a great way to get your content ranked faster while you build trust and authority for your website. Let's talk now about getting higher search rankings. As we've already seen, if you focus on targeting long-tail keywords, and apply methods like the KASH formula in your headline to create lots of keyword combinations, your news release will get you ranked in dozens, even hundreds of listings, for multiple keyword phrases. If you have access to keyword ranking reports, you can click on the keywords in your report to check your rankings. Sometimes, you can also improve your rankings by tweaking your titles, and using data from keyword ranking reports to create new content targeting those keywords. So, as we've seen earlier, a single news release can get you ranked for multiple keywords. Getting ranked for multiple keywords helps to build your authority, which then helps your site get ranked higher. So, the strategy is to use regular news releases to rank higher for multiple long-tail keywords, using KASH formula headlines. This will not only get you multiple search listings, but it also helps to build authority for your website, and drive your site's rankings higher. Keep this process going, and you could find that in some cases, you'll start to get multiple rankings and multiple search listings, and maybe even own the results page. We've talked about using news releases to get faster and higher rankings. Let's talk now about how to stay ranked longer. Here, you can see that 4 months after this news release was sent out, Google was still indexing over 250 entries. When I checked the first 5 news releases that WP Compendium sent out, Google was still indexing over 300 entries over 1 year later. Press releases then, can keep you ranking longer in Google's search results. So, what's the magic formula to getting faster, higher, and longer search engine rankings with news releases? The magic formula is this. Send out a news release every month using the KASH formula, and this will boost your search engine rankings, drive more traffic to your website, and send new leads and customers to your business. You've seen the proof. I've worked with a number of businesses that don't have much time or money to spend on digital marketing. But you can start to improve your results straight away just by sending out one news release every month to hundreds of news and media outlets. The secret science behind this magic formula is the cumulative effect of sending out just one news release every month, targeting multiple long-tail keywords using the KASH formula. So, consistency is the key. Large companies send out press releases all the time, because they know it works. Most small businesses, however, don't know how to use news releases effectively. Just one news release per month is all you need to start improving your results. One last thing I want to cover in this video is using news releases to drive more traffic to your website. You need to commit to publishing at least one news release a month. Don't stop after sending out just 1 or 2 releases. Keep going with it for at least 6 to 12 months and monitor your traffic. There is a certain tipping point where the cumulative effect kicks in, and your traffic then goes to a whole new level. Of course, It also helps if you're doing other things to promote your site and not just relying on news releases to do all of the heavy work. I talk a little bit about integrating news releases into your content marketing strategy in the next lesson. So, to summarize what we've covered in this video, the magic formula and the secret to success with press releases is consistency. Just one news release per month using the KASH method can boost your search rankings, drive more traffic to your website, and send new leads and customers to your business. This is the end of Module 6. In the next module, we'll look at how to set up an effective content publishing strategy to keep driving more traffic to your website, and generate new leads for your business. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next lesson.